Want to unlock that legendary brawler or snag some sweet gems in Brawl Stars using your Apple gift card? Let's get to it. First, make sure your Apple gift card is redeemed to your Apple ID account. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either use your device's camera to scan the gift card or enter the code manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to redeem the card balance to your Apple ID. Now, launch Brawl Stars. Navigate to the in-game shop. Choose the gem pack or offer you want to purchase. When the Apple payment prompt appears, it will show your available Apple ID balance. If your gift card balance covers the purchase, confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. That's it, your purchase is complete, and you can now enjoy your new gems, skins, or Brawl Pass. Enjoy.